Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Distress. Distress means cause distress to. For example, I didn't mean to distress you. I didn't mean to distress you. Synonyms: cause anguish to, cause suffering to, pain.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Many people are distressed at what has happened. Now, repeat after me. Many people are distressed at what has happened. The second exemplar. The entire situation distresses the people profoundly these days. Now, repeat after me. The entire situation distresses the people profoundly these days. The third exemplar. That is not why the story of Steve X distresses me. Now, repeat after me. That is not why the story of Steve X distresses me.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Time is the most commonly used noun in English. Although, this can't be taken as a definitive answer because usages change every day, and the results are based on a single study conducted by Oxford Online.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.